Okay, yeah, Rahima. So the story starts with Abraha. Who's Abraha?
He's a guy who
Where is he from?
he's from Yemen.
Ah, Yemen. And this city still there?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's an Arabic Muslim country, actually. Yeah. And why he got so angry?
because everyone was going to the Kaaba, but no one was going to his place.
Yeah, Yemen, right? That's why, like, first what he did he do? He built what?
First he built a place. First he built a church with all jewelry and stuff that looked really pretty.
Ah, but surprising. No one went to his church. Poor he. Then what happened?
And then he asked his
He decided. Oh yeah.
he decided to ask his army and destroy Kaaba.
Destroy. Oh my God. So he went with the army to destroy Kaaba? What's
Yeah,
Kaaba?
Allah's house.
Uh-huh. Good. MashaAllah. And then when they went to destroy Kaaba, they took with them elephants, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, what was the strongest one's name?
Mahmud.
Yeah, excellent. And whenever they face him towards Kaaba, what did he do?
They turned him around.
Yeah, he wouldn't ever move whenever they face him towards Kaaba. But when they face him towards Yemen, the other side, yes. Then what was their punishment?
The birds will come and they have 3 stones. They'll drop it on them and then it'll burn.
Oh yeah, and this is how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala punished them. But how about the elephant? Why it didn't destroy the Kaaba?
Because Allah told them to.
Why do the elephants obey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala?
Because He created them.
Yeah, do they ever commit any sin?
No.
No, they don't. They always obey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and pray for him. Nice, mashallah. And where is Kaaba?
In Mecca.
In Mecca. And when we say that Kaaba is our qibla, what do we mean by qibla?
When we say namaz, what direction like if you face this way, that's where the Kaaba is.
Exactly the direction you face when you say namaz. That's great. MashaAllah. Thank you so much.